Hello everyone, let's start the class. Today we will learn some more kanjis. Let's start with the kanji of he. That means day and also used for Sunday. So this kanji, the stroke order for this kanji is first, second, third and fourth. This kanji has reading of he, be and nichi. Now we will learn how to use these kanjis in sentence. So when we want to say the sun has come out, okay, the sun has rises, how do we say that? Sun rises in the east. If we say east in Japanese is higashi. Higashi ni he ga demasu. The sun rises in the east. So east is higashi and demasu is come out. Okay. Second thing, this kanji also represent Sunday. Sunday in Japanese is nichiyobi. So how do we say nichiyobi in a sentence? Let's make one. So on Sunday I go to my friend's house. So we'll use nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. Okay, so nichiyobi ni tomodachi no uchi e ikimasu. Here nichiyobi we can write as nichi with the kanji, then yo and bi. This is again Sunday. So I go to my friend's house on Sunday. We'll use the kanji of Sunday as nichiyobi. Nichi will be he, the kanji of nichi we did, and again the kanji of he we will use. Okay. Next, if we want to say moon or month in Japanese, kanji is tsuki and the one more reading is getsu. So tsuki is the Japanese reading, getsu and gatsu both are the Chinese reading. So tsuki, when we say the moon, or getsu or gatsu is for month. So let's see the stroke order. So first stroke is, this is little curved, then we put it straight. One curve, one straight, then first line, then second line. This is the kanji for moon, and in a sentence we can use at 5 o'clock the moon came out. Okay, so 5 o'clock will be go ji ni tsuki ga demashita. So at 5 o'clock tsuki, which means moon, ga demashita. Next, if we want to use it as a month, counter for month is gatsu. Okay, so when we want to say January, we'll put number ichi, or we can understand it like this: every month is associated with a number. So January is the first month. So if you want to say January, we'll say ichi and then we'll add gatsu. So gatsu is for month and ichi is for first. And in kanji we will write it ichi gatsu. Similarly, if we want to write December, October, any month. Suppose we are writing November. November is 11th month. So it will be Ju ichi gatsu. It will become Ju ichi gatsu. Suppose we want to use this in a sentence. So in January I'll go to Japan. So how we will write? Ichi gatsu ni Nihon e ikimasu. Ichi gatsu is for January. Now if we do the another kanji, let's move. Kanji for fire, that is he. This is again read as he and another reading is ka, and this would mean fire. This kanji stands for Tuesday. And this kanji tsuki, this kanji stands for Monday. Monday is called Getsu Yobi. Okay, so how do we say Tuesday? That is Ka Yobi. So in Ka Yobi we will use Ka as a fire, Yo and B will be the kanji of he. So this will remain constant in every weekdays and this person will change to make it special, the different from other days kanjis. Now if you are writing he, how we will use this kanji in a sentence? Let's see. If you want to say I made the fire or I need some fire, so we will use kanji of fire and make the sentence. So he ga okoshimashita. Okoshimasu, to cause something. Okoshimasu. And then we will use, so we'll make a sentence, he o okoshimasu. Okay, I caused fire. Or if we'll use this kanji as the fire is dangerous, then we can use he ga abunai desu. He ga abunai desu. Abunai is dangerous. So fire is dangerous. Now we can use them as Tuesday. So kayobi ni or kayobi wa yasumi desu. Yasumi is holiday. So Tuesday is a holiday. Next kanji we'll do is kanji of water, that is mizu. So mizu is the Japanese reading and sui is the Chinese reading, and the stroke order is for he is 1, 2, 3, 4. Stroke order for mezzo will be first, second, third. So this is how we write mezzo in kanji. And let's make a sentence. Please give me water. How will you say that? Mizu o kudasai. Mizu o kudasai. So object, we have done this pattern. O kudasai means give me that object, right? So here, please give me water. Next, this kanji also represents Wednesday. Okay, so if you want to say Wednesday, we'll say suiyobi. And then again, B will be the kanji of he. It means Wednesday. Now use that Wednesday in a sentence. On Wednesday, my family will come. So, suiyobi ni kazoku ga kimasu. Okay, so family will come. Kazoku ga kimasu. Next kanji is kanji of tree, which is ki. Another reading is moku. Stroke order for this kanji is very simple. First, second, third, and fourth. If we say there are many trees in the park, koen ni ki, and we can use the kanji here, ga takusan arimasu. So place ni, object ga, numbers, and arimasu. This kanji also represents Thursday, which is mokuyobi. So we'll write mokuyobi. This is for Thursday. Okay. Make a sentence with Thursday. On Thursday, I go to temple. So we can say moku yobi ni otera e ikimasu. Otera is word for temple. Our next kanji is tsuchi or do. So when we write tsuchi, it is Japanese reading, and to and do are the Chinese reading. So tsuchi also means Saturday. This kanji represents Saturday, and that is called doyobi. And tsuchi means the surface. It also represents earth, ground, etc. So let's make a sentence. If we say tsuchi ga tsumetai desu, the surface is cold. the surface or the earth is cold, then we will say tsuchi ga tsumetai desu. Further, if we use doyobi, it will be like do yo bi, and it is Saturday. So let's use this Saturday. On Saturday, school is from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So tsuchi, which will be here, doyobi. Doyobi ni gakkou wa 9時から12時までです。So 9時から12時まで means from 9 to 12. So kara made pattern has been used in this sentence. Next kanji is kanji of money or gold, and that is called kane. Okay, or kin, gon. There are various reading of this kanji, and it represents money, gold, etc. So money in Japanese is called okane. We put o as an honorific, and then this kanji become money. Now if we want to use this kanji in a sentence, I want money or I need money, how do you say that? Let's do the stroke order first. So ichi, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is how we write okane. And let's make the sentence. Okane ga hoshii desu. We can also say I need money. Okane ga irimasu. Irimasu means to need. Next is, this kanji is also used for Friday. So what is Friday in Japanese? Kinyobi. So when we write kinyobi, it will be Friday. It is kin yobi. So we did Sunday, which is nichiyobi. Monday, which is getsuyobi. It is getsu here. Then Tuesday, which is kayobi. Then we did Wednesday, which is suiyobi. Thursday will be mokuyobi. Friday is kinyobi. And Saturday is do-yo-bi. So from Monday to Saturday we will use these kanjis to represent the days. Now let's learn the kanji for gakusei. Okay, now see, the word gakusei is student. We write gakusei, but we read it gakusei. So this vocab has two kanji. It is a jukugo. Jukugo means the kanji compiled version. Okay, two or more kanjis comes together to make a vocab, and that is called jukugo. The first kanji is gaku. The kanji of gaku is this. Japanese reading of this kanji is manabu, and Chinese reading of this kanji is gaku. The stroke order will go like first, second, third. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is how we write the kanji for gaku, and it would mean to learn, to study. Okay, that is why this kanji is particularly used for student. The next kanji for gakusei, the other vocab sei, is this part. This is the kanji for sei. It is also ikiru, iku. This has many reading: umu, umareru, hayasu, hairu. This kanji has lot of reading, and it is also sei. Oh, when I am saying ikeru, iku, it is actually the root form of mas, verb. All these are verb. Ikimas, umimas, umaremas, hayashimas. So ikimas here, which is ikiru I have written, means to take birth, or to ikimas would mean to live. Umaremas would mean to take birth. Hayashimas would mean to grow. So this is the kanji for many verbs, and there are different meaning for every different reading. So when we are using this kanji as ikimas, it means to live. We are using this kanji for umaremas, it means to give birth. And when you are using this kanji for hayashimas, it means to grow. And these kanjis will come in pair for transitive and intransitive verb. Now just use this kanji for as a sei. First we learn the stroke order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is for sei. So when we write together gaku sei, it become gakusei, student. So gakusei, student, we will use that in a sentence now. There are students in the classroom. Students in the classroom. So classroom is kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu ni gakusei ga imasu. Kyoshitsu ni gakusei ga imasu. Next if we say Students are going to university. Gakse wa, or student, instead of saying are going to, since we have not done the present continuous, let's say students will eat in the canteen. So gakse wa, canteen is called shokudo. Gakse wa shokudo de tabemasu. Shokudo is mess or canteen. Tabemasu is to eat. So this is how we'll use the kanji of gakse. Next is sensei. First, the kanji is saki. Saki is the earlier, and it is also read as sen. Let's do the stroke order. So when we write sen, it means earlier or saki ni. But when we use this kanji with kanji of sei, it will be sensei, which means teacher. Sensei we can call anyone whom we want to give respect to. So sensei is for anyone who is senior to us and we want to give some respect, we can call them. Now we did the kanji of omimasu or omaremasu or sei. So how to use omaremasu or ikimasu as a verb? Suppose I want to say I am born in India. So how will use that? So watashi wa Indo ni umaremashita. Okay, so now this is, we learned, this is called okurigana. The hiragana which follows kanji is called okurigana, and the kanji will come like this. For any person where we want to describe the birthplace, we can say place omare. So you can say Indo umare des, he is born Indian, or Delhi umare. So that is also used. We'll do it till here today, and in the next class we'll learn some more Japanese patterns. Thank you.